What's going on, guys? Today we are making the origami spin topper. Now this one actually does work. See, it's very fun, super easy, and all you need are 2 sheets of origami paper. Let's get started. Okay, now for this, what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna take 1 sheet of paper to start with. And I did break my finger, but that's okay. So we're gonna flip it over. We're gonna fold it in. We're gonna fold it up just like that and crease. I'm gonna open it, turn it. I'm gonna do the same thing. So when you open it, you have these 4 creases. Now you're gonna take 2 corners and you're gonna fold them to the middle, like this. And the corners have to be diagonal. So then it looks like this. You're gonna flip it over. You're gonna take it aside. You're gonna fold it in half this way. Now this folds a little hard. Oh, the background noise are just like my sisters and stuff. And my dog. So it looks like this. Then you're gonna open it like that. Fold it up. Like that. You're gonna open it. You're gonna pop that part up. And you're gonna push these sides in. So then it looks like a diamond. And then you can take these sides so then it goes like that. And do that. Yeah, I kind of messed up on that fold. Okay. And you're just gonna push down. There you go. Okay. So you have one of those. Now you want to repeat those steps with your other sheet of paper. Flip it over. Fold up. Open. Turn. Fold up. Open. Fold 2 corners in. Remember, they have to be diagonal. Flip. Fold across like that. Open. Fold up. Open. Pop that part up. Fold like that. And make it look like that. So now that you have your 2 parts, what you want to do is you want to take these 2 corners right here, these 2, and you want to stick them into these pockets right there. And you want to do the same thing for the other one. So it's like this. It's a little tricky to get all 4 of them in there at like the same time. Sometimes you just gotta do 3 And then you go back and you can open it and stick the other one in like that. Ah. But that normally doesn't work, so. I had trouble with this part. I've only done this. I've like really only made like 2 of these. So don't get like, oh. Yeah. Oh, and at the end of this video, I will be showing you a sneak peek of my next origami. And that next origami does take a lot of paper. So if you do want to follow along at home, I suggest getting all of the paper there. And I will be filming that video very soon, but I'm going to do one more before that video, which I will not show you a sneak peek of. I just want to show you the one for the other one. Sometimes you gotta like open these pockets and then like go like that. Okay. Okay. Aha. Where have I done it? There. And I open up that. Then just oh. Ah! I'm struggling. I'm going all the way in. One more. You guys might not have as much trouble at home as I am. I am just not good at this one. Personally. I am pet sitting right now too, so comment down below if you've ever had to pet sit. It's the worst, especially with my dog. Oh, I did it! Okay, now is the harder part, or like easy part. You just want to make sure that they go all the way in. Bam. And you do it. Hopefully you guys don't have as much trouble at home as me because, well, I have a broken finger, so it's a little bit harder. So now we got these guys. And now for the sneak peek of our next, the next video. Not the next one, but like the one after that. Yeah, that video. The origami firework! Yes, this is what we are making in 2 videos. I know, I can't wait. This one takes 8 sheets of paper. You need 4 of each color. No, I have actually made like a giant one right here. Out of like real origami paper. My mini one I made out of Post-it notes. This one. So yeah. Well, please like, comment, and subscribe. And go click that bell so you will never miss another one of my origami videos. Now, I will see you all next time with a brand new video. And hopefully you can do this one at home. And you know what's also cool is that these can become a bookmark. You just flatten it out and they're the little bookmarks so you can stick in your book. Hopefully you guys can do this fold. Bye. See you next time.